When it comes to automation, it's all always about work and business, but why not we do something fun? I want to show you how you can automate your love life with Pabbly Connect and ntfy.sh. Welcome to my channel. My name is Nizam and this is Kool Automations. In this video, I want to show you a very simple yet powerful automation workflow that you can implement in your current setup. We are going to use two software, which is Pabbly Connect and the other one is called ntfy.sh. Now we are going to be doing something different. When it comes to automation, it's all always about work and business, but why not we do something fun? I want to show you how you can automate your love life with Pabbly Connect and ntfy.sh. So before we begin, let me share with you a post that got me here in the first place. This post is from Niraj Agarwal, who is the founder of Pabbly, where he said that there is an Automate December 2024 event. I got the calling to create something for this event. In fact, this is a very brand new channel. I've always wanted to have a YouTube channel, but never gotten the courage to do so until this event. So I hope I can do this video justice, and I hope you all enjoy the content. So let's get right into the automation to automate your love life. Okay, like I said, there was two apps that you need. Number one, you will need Pabbly Connect, which is an app. If you are not familiar with Pabbly Connect is actually um, an automation software that helps you to easily connect to multiple applications to automate your tasks. You can connect to a lot of applications out there as long as it has the integration available. And they have already more than 2,000 integration and still counting. You don't need any technical skills. You can do advanced multi-step workflow, but in this tutorial I'm going to show you a very simple one, very simple, no coding required. And the second one is notify.sh, ntfy, pronounced as notify. Okay, so this app is actually free. It's 100% free software. It's open source. You can choose to self-host it yourself, and this is how the apps look like on the mobile phone. Whenever a certain event gets triggered, it will be sent to this app and you'll be notified in almost real time with their instant delivery webhook. Before we dive in, I want to share with you a story. What happened was a few months ago, my wife asked me, how long have we been together? And although I remembered when we first met, I just cannot count how many days or how long has it been. So I want to find out how many years, how many months, and how many days has it been since I first met my wife. So I thought, since I cannot do it on the spot, why not get it automated? So this time round, not only I will be prepared, but on different occasion, I can actually tell her, hey, today we have been together for how many years, how many days, how many months. Let's have a celebration. You can do something special with your wife, your spouse, or your significant other. Okay, so if you don't have an account, get started. It's free to start. Go to Pabbly, get an account, register for yourself an account. If you want to take advantage of the year-end sale, go ahead, claim my discount, and there's a lifetime deal offer for $249 for lifetime access. So go and get it. It's really good. You won't regret this. So once you have an account, you get this dashboard. So in this dashboard, you can follow along this tutorial. Once you have all this, create a workflow. Now you can name this workflow anything you want. Maybe you want to say love life. Then you hit the create button. Now after you hit the create button, remember you want to be notified on how many days has it been since you met your wife or something like that. We are going to set a trigger which is the schedule trigger. We want this automation to be triggered on a daily basis. So in this case, once you choose the schedule trigger, you are going to select the interval on a daily basis. So the trigger event is to schedule the workflow. You want to run this every day. Okay. Well, I choose to run this maybe like a 6 a.m. I like it when every morning I wake up and I know how many days it has been. Okay. After you select all these settings, hit the save button. Okay, once you get a response, that means you know the the workflow has been saved. Okay, don't forget to save. Now, the next thing is we want to find the date. What date are we looking for? We are going to get the current date. That means today's date. This day or date will change every single day. So we need to have a current date here. Don't forget to save and send the test request. Now that you got a response, that means this has been saved successfully. The next step you want to add is also the date and time formatter, but this time you are going to input a different data. Number one, you are going to get the current date, which we will be mapped from the previous step, and we want to choose the date duration calculator. And then select connect, and now you map the date one to the current date, the previous step. And date two, this will be the event or the date that you want to remember. Maybe the first time you met your wife or the first time this thing happened. So let's pick a random date here. Let's try 2002. Okay. And 23. Okay. It has to be in this format, yeah, guys. A date similar to the from format here. It will be year, month, and day. Okay. Now, once you have set this, send the test request. Success. Now you have this response. You got the years, you got the months, you got the days, hours, minutes, seconds, milliseconds. So we are going to map this into the app that we want to be notified. And in this case, it's notify.sh. So we are going to select a new action step. And this time you want to choose notify. Okay, so notify here is private because this app is not integrated in Pabbly yet, but I've already gotten it integrated into my workflow. And don't worry, I will share this workflow with you guys so that you don't have to do any coding. The link to this private app will be placed in the description below, but if let's say I forget to put there, to just comment and let me know, so I will put it into the comment section. Okay, so once you have the private app installed, you select the action, which is to send a simple notification. And then you hit the connect button. And now you are required to put in three different variables. Now, what is topic, what is message, and what is title? Okay, if you go to notify SH, hit the open app, you will go into this page. Now, in this page, to get the topic, you must subscribe to the topic first. Now, these topics may not be password protected, meaning anyone who can access this topic will get whatever notification that you are actually pushing towards this server. So you might want to choose a name that's not easy to guess. Or you can simply hit the generate button to come out with a random string of characters. And from here, you just copy. Now, use another server here is if you were to self-host this, you might want to enable this and input your own server domain. But of course, this is outside of the scope of this video, which we will not be covering today. If you wish to reserve any topic and configure certain kind of access, you just need to subscribe to Notify Pro. Okay, so don't forget to copy this, copy and subscribe. Now, once you are subscribed, any notification will come out here. How will the notification look like? Let's do an example first. So you need to provide a title. So this is a title and this is a message. Okay. Now there are many other variables, but we are not going to cover this now because we are going to do a very simple notification. And then now we hit the send button. So once you hit the send button, this is exactly how it will look like in the notification app. Okay, so you see the title and the message. So back to Pabbly, the topic just now you copied, you paste it here. The message is this duration that you want to map. So 22 years, 4 months, 19 days, and counting. Okay, and for the title, you might want to say like since we first met. Okay, you can get creative. You can use emoji. You can use different characters as well. No problem. Now you have all these three variables set up. Let's test. When you hit the save and send test request, you should be getting a response like this. So this means the message has been sent successfully. So back into notify.sh, you can see that this message is now here. So that is how you get a notification from the automation by Pabbly. This is how it looks like in the web. So let's take a look at how it works in the mobile app. So in the mobile app, this is what you need to um, set up. You just have to subscribe to a topic. You enter the topic here at the top, and then you make sure that the server is ntfy.sh, and you might want to turn on the instant delivery in those modes. So this one, when once you enable, even if your phone is sleeping, you will still get this notification right into your phone. Okay, so once you are here, you just hit the subscribe button. Then you will see all the previous notification that has already been pushed into the server, into the topic. Okay, let's try this one more time and see how it turns out in the app. Okay, so we are going to run this save and send test request one more time, and we should be seeing a response in our app as well. Ta-da! Okay, so you see, there's a new one. Okay, so there you go. This is how you create an automation to automate your love life, getting notifications triggered to your app every single day or every single week or every single month, whichever that you think is applicable to your situation. But it doesn't have to be just automating your love life. It could be maybe monitoring your server. Maybe your server is up or maybe it's down, or maybe you want to be notified when someone logs in into your website, or when someone sends you an email, or someone triggers your form. Now, so let's review what we have done in the workflow. We will schedule this to run on a daily basis at 6 a.m. and then we get the current date, and from that current date we will then find the duration from the day that significant event happens. We choose date duration, and then once we save and send the test response, we will get this duration. And with this data, we shall now map into the notify app, and then it will send a message to the app. Okay, so if you want to see similar content like this, please consider liking this video and subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comment section what kind of video or what kind of automation you would like to see next. I would love to build one, and I hope to see you in the next video. Stay cool, guys.